हाय एवरीवन, नमस्कार, प्रणाम एंड सत श्री अकाल। आप कैसे हो? मैं सोचती हूँ कि आप अच्छे होंगे, जहाँ पर भी हो, जहाँ से भी देख रहे हो, आप अच्छे हो, राइट? सो यू आर डूइंग गुड। अब मैं बात करूंगी, आज के सेशन में मैं बात करूंगी कि रिलेशनशिप से आप कैसे बचो। जो टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप है आपका कैसे समय और एनर्जी बर्बाद करता है। मैं इस चीज़ के भी बारे में बात करूंगी, कैसे टॉक्सिक लोग आपकी ज़िंदगी में आते हैं, फिर आपको बहुत मैजिशियन की तरह वो एक्ट करते हैं, फिर बाद में आपको आपका लाइफ खराब करके चले जाते हैं। मैं इस बारे में भी बात करूंगी कि आपको कैसे सतर्क रहना जरूरी है, हाउ यू गोना बी प्रिवेंटिंग फ्रॉम टॉक्सिक पीपल टू मेक योर टॉक्सिक लाइफ। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to be careful these days, because now I know there's no white and black, there's a gray people, because you you never get to know their intention. They look all good, they feel like godly, they feel like, oh my god, magician, but internally they start invading you. They 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 don't like your success, they don't like your growth, and they came into your life just to check on you, like if you get a success, then how to pull you down. It's gonna be really interesting thing. So let's get started. Tongue. Tongue was like just a sound. Tongue. It should be like, but I said like a tongue. Okay, चलो ये सब छोड़ो। चलो मैं बात करती हूँ, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट समथिंग। रिलेशनशिप। देखो, I gotta talk about relationship. Relationship is very beautiful thing. To have somebody who loves you, who takes care of you. If you miss meal, they were like, okay. If you don't feel like meal, can I get you something better which you like it? If you got a busy schedule, somebody is there for you to talk to you. Make sure that you feel home. Make sure that you feel good about things, right? So yeah, this is it, like somebody who literally love, and love is something beyond everything. Love is beautiful, and love is dangerous too. Few people who knows how to play around to show love, and they are not lovable person, they are destructive. They want to destroy people's life. They do not come to love you, they do not come to protect you, they do not come to care you, they come to your life to destroy you. So do not fall for love. You gotta be, these days you gotta be careful. Observe, see how they were before with relationship. You cannot observe in a month or two, you need at least 4 months or 5 months to observe somebody. 1 2 months, they still, it feels like fairy world. The way they talk, everything looks good. They make sure that they come to meet you. They make sure that they care about you, and eventually you fall in love for them. And once they get to know, oh my god, they'll start showing their own face, like they're revealing their face. They're like, they'll not show up on time, they never reply you on messages. The guy who used to reply promptly, like if you reply 2 o'clock, oh hey, hi, how are you doing? If you message anytime, they're like, I'm all there, I'm there for you for 3 months. After 3 months, they act like, who are you? Come on. I do have a time. I do not have time. I'm doing business. I'm doing my office work. I'm doing everything. Why? Like, this office work and the business was not there for you before. How did it come here now? Like, how did it come all of a sudden? Where am I? You're not giving me importance. You're not loving me anymore. Yeah, honey, I love you so much. Where's the love? I don't see it around. So this is where the toxicity starts. They stop caring about you. So, and you get into emotional trap. You are into that person because you loved, and you cannot get out of it. You wait for them to you wait for him or her to show up, talk to you, go for shopping, go for movies, do things, but they never do things for you because they are like too busy, because they just want to use you. Use in what sense? Maybe they were alone that time when you met. They might had a breakup, or they just want emotional support. So this is called a situationship or benching. So they do not love you. They come for a while and they're like, okay, who cares about it? I'm good. I'm happy now. I just do not care about you. So be careful. That's how it is. This is part one, and this is the first video I'm recording. Part two, I'm going to continue this. Till then, bye, and please do subscribe my channel. It was like so casual, like da. No, I should be like da, or it should be like da. Anyways, apart from that, money only matters. Money hai to honey hana hai. Nowadays, people are like, "Bhai, I'm telling you my story. People are literally make me work with no money. They want me to work for free because they don't have a skilled people around, and they get into, they are like, I'm your friend and all that. They do drama, but they are not my friend. They just act my friend just to make me work on their projects because I'm smart. I can do anything. I'm a magician. So yeah, I am. I can do things around. So this is it. Chalo, bye everyone. Take care and love you all. Bye.